Yo, you want a Spryte? Word. Alright.
What's up, guys? I'm Nate.
I'm Mario.
And we're the fucking Vape Boys.
So today we're talking about something kind of interesting. The Aspire Dr. Pepper. No.
Oh, you mean the Aspire Mountain Dew?
What is this? Well, regardless of what flavor soft drink we got, this is like another AIO from Aspire, because that's apparently their thing now, and it's pretty interesting. I mean,
Yeah,
Nate, what's it got going for it?
It's got a cool shape, good flavor. It's got its own coils. It's, it doesn't have auto draw, but it's got a nice button in replacement of that. It's a lot better than the Breeze 2's button, in my opinion.
The weird thing about this device, I think right off the bat, is its mouthpiece. It's a little small, but the mouthpiece does grow on you. I mean, for me at least, it was a little weird off the bat, but
Yeah,
after a while, I got used to it, and it's no big deal anymore.
Another thing that's kind of weird about it is the fact that when you set it down, it leans. And then they have a mouthpiece that goes over top, which very conveniently fits on the bottom whenever you have it off the top. So when you're carrying it around, it's nice and on the bottom there. But if you want to set it down, you got to take that off or else it's going to fall over because it leans too much.
Yeah, and that's a kind of a bummer. It's nice to prop it up, but
yeah,
you can't always.
It's definitely a really cool stylistic choice, but in a practical sense, it's kind of a dumb idea. I like how it looks.
Yeah, it looks really sweet, and you can get it in many different colors. We got this green color, and it kind of has like a military vibe to it, but it's kind of cool.
It's like an olive green. It's very nice.
Yep, and it's got nice airflow on the sides, so you get a pretty airy draw. Good flavor.
It feels. It's like the Aspire AIOs are. It feels a lot more like a mod hit than a pod system.
Right, and it's got a different coil than the Breeze 2 does and the Nautilus has.
Yeah, which I like more. I like it more. I haven't tried the Nautilus yet, but
stay tuned for a review.
More to come on that later.
So what's some cons about this device, Nate?
Some cons. Well, we kind of went over them a little bit. The weird mouthpiece, but you get used to that. You got the tilt on the bottom. The fact that you have to hit a button, which in this one is like the least issue.
Yeah, it's right where your thumb is.
It's the first device that has a button that I'm not really upset about because it's just in a good spot, good size button. Like it's not small where you have to like kind of be accurate with your finger. You can kind of just like you could hold it like full fist that thing and just button.
Right, and unlike the Breeze 2 where the button is very, very sensitive, it's pretty clicky. So like I found that when the Breeze 2 is in my pocket, I'm just resting my hand on my pants or whatever, I might accidentally fire it, and that's just not good. You have to turn the device off. With this, you don't have to worry about it because you'll feel it clicking. One
thing I've noticed about the coil in general, is that it seems to be a very good flavor, and it's not like shooting in the dark, where some pods it's like you'll hit it one time and it's going to taste burnt as fuck, and then you hit it 2 times later and it tastes beautiful. It tastes amazing. This one is going to be consistently always the same flavor. So like I have the issue where sometimes I'll hit a pod system and it's going to taste like shit. Yeah. And I'm like, oh, well, knowing pod systems, I just have to set this down for a little while, and when I come back to it, it's going to be fine. Because I don't know what happens with them. They just don't have enough cotton in them or whatever. This does not have that issue.
Yeah, it's a very consistent hit each time.
Very consistent, nice. And so far it's lasted a long time.
Yeah, and the pods or the coils last like a very long time. We have a lot of vapes, so we cycle through them, but
we're going on 2 weeks now, and it still tastes great.
And this is a fairly like consistent vape for us. We really like it, and 2 weeks isn't bad for one coil, and it comes with a spare, so that's kind of nice.
Yeah. I have to say, out of all the Aspire devices that I've tried, which is all of them minus the Nautilus, this one is currently my favorite. And I would definitely look for it on the Best Pod Systems video of October, which will be out on the 1st, so
stay tuned for that, guys. Well, thanks for watching.
We appreciate your view, and make sure you hit the subscribe and the like button and comment your thoughts.
Yep. Well, until next time, guys. Peace out.